So, hello everyone! This is Mercy again, and now, wala pa akong maipopost kasi, although I have already the video na, but then I need to wait for the confirmation of the creator of the -1 that I used to as my background music. Yes, kasi nanghihiram lang tayo dahil hindi ako marunong mag-gitara. I don't know how to use piano, and yun, wala akong masyadong alam sa instrument. And sa vocal naman, hindi ako expert, but then I try to make videos as additional inspiration or motivation sa ating mga kapatid sa pananampalataya. So, ang kakantahin ko pala doon is Pinamagatang Lilim. Thank you for Sir Antonio. Antonio ba? Tama ata eh. Wait lang. Hanapin ko yung pangalan niya. Antonio, yes. Antonio Seriano Jr. Yan. Thank you, sir, for creating this -1 version of Lilim. And sana ipayagan nyo ako na gamitin yung inyong video as my background music. Yan. Diba? And yan. Hello to my viewers and 11 subscribers dyan. Praying here na madagdagan pa tayo dito na makikinig ng kantang May Panalangin. That's the right term. So, abangan nyo po ang aking ipopost sa aking YouTube channel. Antayin lamang natin si Sir Soriano. Thank you everyone. God bless!